Welcome to MCOM second semester and MCOM fourth semester batch of Munger University. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic classification of budget. In budgeting, there are different types of budgets. On the basis of time, long-term budget, short-term budget, current budget. Long-term budget. Long-term budgets are prepared for a period exceeding 1 year. They are only forward-looking plan. The short-term budget, a budget prepared for a period less than a year, is called short-term budget. These are prepared for actual. Third, current budget. Current budget means the sum of approved estimates of the current expenditure for a financial year in the annual budget. On the basis of flexibility, fixed budget and flexible budget. Fixed budget. A fixed budget is a budget designed to remain unchanged irrespective of the level of activity actually attained. Thus, a budget which is prepared on the basis of fixed level of activity is known as fixed budget. Flexible budget. A flexible budget is a budget designed to change with the level of activity actually attained. In flexible budget, budgeted figure can be changed according to the level of activities. Third, on the basis of functions, master budget, supporting budget. Master budget. This budget is a summary of all functional budgets. It gives an overall view of the firm's plan of action for the budget period. Second, supporting budget. There are four types of supporting budgets: sales budget, production budget, cost budgets, financial budgets. Sales budgets. The sales budgets is a statement of planned sales in quantity and value both in sales budget. Sales is forecasted during the budget period. Production budget. The production budget is prepared for making a plan of production. The production manager is responsible for the preparation of production budget and executing it. Production budget is generally based on sales budget. Cost budget. There are two types of cost budget: production cost budget, other cost budget. Production cost budget. Production cost budget is prepared to show the cost of production for the unit of budgeted production. There are four types of production cost budget. First, material budget. Second, labor budget. Third, production overhead budget and plant budget. Material budget. The direct material budgets specify the budgeted quantities of each raw material required for the budget production. Labor budget. Direct labor budgets deals with the requirement of labor for the budgeted production. Production overhead budget. Production overheads includes all the cost of production other than raw materials and labor. This can include some fixed component. Plant budget. It represents the requirement to meet the production budget, and in each department corrective measures should be taken on time. Other cost budget. The following budgets are included in the other cost budgets: selling and distributing expenses budget, administrative cost budget, research and development budget, financial cost budget. Selling and distributing expense budget. In this budget, all expenses related to the selling and distributing expenses of various products are estimated for the budget period. Administrative cost budget. In this budget, all expenses related to administration of various products are estimated for the budget period. Third, research and development budget. Research and development expenses are associated with the research and development of a company's goods or service. Financial cost budget. A cost budget is a financial plan about your company's identified expenses for the next period. Next, financial budget. This budget gives the business a better control and efficient planning mechanism to manage the inflow and outflow. There are two different sections of financial budget: cash budget and capital expenditure budget. Cash budget. This budget is prepared after the preparation of all other functional budgets. This budget is prepared by the head accountant of the firm. Capital expenditure budget. In this budget, estimates are made for the purchase of capital assets during the period of budget. Thank you.